Okay, this is day 642 of the coronavirus.
What's the problem with Big Joe?
It's really big.
Maybe just the front section there and forget about it. We'll see how that goes. And Gavin, where's the screwdriver? Pink stones we have chosen, but we haven't started that
But
yet.
also,
What's happening?
there's this
Bird.
black piece.
What's the story?
And I think we should
Go.
open it up.
Raptor strike!
I had to use
This is the Raptor strike. This. Remove the Raptor strike. Ah. I like that red. It's all weird.
Do you need me? Now that is awesome. It's awesome. We're doing mine next.
Same way?
Well, maybe not the same exact way, but
See if you like. We did some hammers. You like these guys.
of course, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We did a baseball with the wings for my hydrofoils, and this one. Why not, right? And what about these guys?